Oh, hi! Hello, friends. Welcome to Silas Kitchen for quick and delicious recipes. Today, we are going to make a recipe out of potatoes. This is a Maharashtrian recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. I have here potatoes which I have thinly sliced, and I have dipped them in a salt water so that they don't turn brown or dark and oxidize. Here I have around two jalapenos. These I have finely chopped. You'll notice that these are fine chops here. I have here, these are for tempering. I have around 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. This is 2.5 teaspoons of turmeric. This is around 3/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, which is hing, and I have here around 10 to 12 leaves, curry leaves, which we are going to use for tempering. So let's begin. And also, one thing to note is you can also use or make this in oil, but I'm going to make it in clarified butter. Let's begin. So the pan is on, kind of medium to high heat. It's already hot. I can feel the heat. We are going to add around 3 teaspoons of clarified butter to our pan, and once the butter melts, we are going to add the tempering ingredients. We'll begin by adding the mustard seeds. Ensure that when you add mustard seeds, they splutter, so do stay away a bit so that they don't splutter right into your face. While the mustard seeds are spluttering, we'll also add our curry leaves. Along with that, we are going to add asafoetida, which is hing. Give this a stir. Let me grab the spoon. Let's give it a stir. You'll notice that the mustard seeds are spluttering now. The aroma is amazing because the curry leaves, leave out its nice aroma. Let's add the turmeric as well, and we'll add the red chili powder as well. Okay. Once this is nicely mixed together, we are also going to add our jalapenos. So let's add the jalapenos and give it a stir. Let it cook for a few seconds, and then we'll also add the potatoes. Alright, so the jalapenos have cooked. Now it's time to add in the potatoes. I'm going to drain off the water and then add them to our mixture. You can also use a colander if needed. So I'm just going to kind of rinse it with stir it with the hand and then add it to our mixture. Let's mix it well. Turn the heat up. I've made it high now. It was between high and medium. And if you hear somebody coughing or sneezing, that's my cameraman, because we added jalapenos, so it does give out its heat out. Okay, so we have nicely coated the potatoes with our tempering. Now all we need to do is, you can cover it, but I tend to avoid because it then grabs moisture. So we are just going to leave it like this Let it cook for around 5 to 8 minutes and then our potatoes will be ready. Okay, so it has been around 6 to 7 minutes. Now we will add a little bit of salt. Remember that the potatoes were in salt water, so be careful when you add salt to it. We don't want to add excess salt. Let's add some salt and then give it a stir. Nice stir. And now we are going to add 2 more ingredients which I did not show at the beginning. One of them is, well, in fact 3. One of them is a little bit of lime juice. Here I've got some fresh lime juice which I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Then to the same, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Around 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. And give it a stir. Let it cook for another 1 minute and then we're garnishing it with fresh shredded coconut and coriander. So that's the last pieces. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, so now let's add our freshly grated coconut. This is around half a bowl of coconut. Let's add it and then give it a stir. And then in the end we are going to add coriander or cilantro. This is around 3 tablespoons of coriander. That's it. Our potatoes are ready. Thank you all for watching this video. For more such recipes, keep watching Saily's Kitchen. Do subscribe and also post your comments below. Bye bye.